Join me in a real quick episode. What I need to do is hang up some banners in the shop because some of my walls are very blank. But in the next episode, next week, we're gonna build that welding cart. I've already started on that, but I wanna get a little quick episode out for you guys. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy this short episode. See you next week for a long one. What's going on, everyone? Real fast before we get started, there's something I wanna do. I grabbed a couple banners on Facebook Marketplace, and I wanna hang the banners right here because all that is just a dead spot. I wanna start filling up the walls with some of this stuff. Let me grab the ladder. We're gonna hang up some banners. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm probably just gonna staple it, and where the grommets are, I might just run some nails with some washers and just call it for now. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. It's gonna cause any issues. So let's go ahead and start knocking that out real quick. Let me show you what these banners are. Oh, I gotta set up this tripod. Give me a second here. So the first banner I got is this one. I'm sure you guys know this company. It's Brodix cylinder heads. I wanna hang this one up there. I think I might do this one closest to the loft, all the way on that side. And I think this is a 2 foot by 8 foot. Close to 2 foot, maybe 2.5. Then the second one I have is this one, Lincoln Welders. This is they said it's a 3x6. Well, I'm 6'1", and it's not really my height, so maybe they just call it 6 foot. So we need to hang this one up. We're gonna do this one second, probably where the Riviera and Ferrari are. I'm thinking Brodix cylinder heads there, and then Lincoln Welders right there. Not like it has to be in a specific spot, but I wanna start filling up these walls, and I wanna knock this out real quick, and then we'll dive into some more stuff right after that. So let's go ahead and hang these banners real quick, guys. Lots of rocks in this ladder. So there it is, Brodix cylinder heads. What I wanna do is I wanna measure the width of it, split the difference on both sides, because I want it to be at least as close to center as possible up there when I mount it. So that's what we're gonna do now. Get a quick measurement. 30 inches, so yeah, about 2.5 feet. And I wanna say that is 4 feet. Guess we'll find out. That's 4 foot. Or do I stuff it close to the ceiling as possible so I have room to hang stuff underneath it? Probably not gonna have much room underneath it because that only leaves me 1.5 foot. Up there, it's a loft. And I need to fix that. If I'm borrowing my neighbor's ladder, I might as well fix that, shouldn't I? 30 inches, and then I'll do some quick math, figure out the split difference, and that'll give me my center. So if that banner is 30 inches tall, and from the top to this is 48 inches, that's a difference of 18 inches. Split that in half, that's 9 inches. So we're gonna go 9 inches down, we're gonna mount it, and I want, hopefully the bottom of that banner is 9 inches above this lip. Am I even on camera? Just checking, wanna make sure you guys are paying attention here. All right, heading back up with a couple nails. First one, done. Is this thing on? Oh, that's the first one. I think that Lincoln one should fit. I think it looks pretty good. We're gonna add some more. I might end up stapling it. This is well needed. My walls are blank. If you got signs, mainly if you got banners, let me know. I can give you my address, send them. I'm desperate. I need to fill up that back wall, something fierce. All right, time for the next one. Oh, I need the hammer. Okay, so I'm gonna go 1 foot over from the Brodix cylinder heads one, and the difference between top and bottom is 7¼ inches. I did the math. We're gonna drop it down that much and hopefully get it pretty spot on. Standing on the roof of my service truck, can't take you anywhere. Can't dress you up, can't take you out. Here. Now I'm on a ladder rack. Ooh, if I fall, I'm done. I'm getting off, I'm getting off. Don't you ever make me do that again. Cinematic. Hurt my wrist. Let's take a look from the ground. There it is. In all seriousness, if you guys have banners, let me know. Send them my way, I'll take them. I'll hang them up in my shop. Let me show you my big blank canvas I need to fill. Right here. I want to start getting more stuff like that hung up in here because I've been here for a couple years and there's not really much in here. I like it, I like it. Thanks everybody for tuning in to a quick episode. We'll see you next week. Let's get that welding cart built. To give you a little heads up, I've already started on that, so next week's episode should be a lot longer than this one. But I want to give you a little update on this one. Thanks guys, we'll see you next week. Take care, have a good weekend.